Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I will review the WordFence security plugin for the WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular CMS and more than 35% of internet websites are powered by the WordPress at the time of making this video. As per security, in year 2018 the WordPress hack website percentage were more than 90%, means hackers whatever website hackers try to hack, out of which 90% were the WordPress website. So we can imagine that how much WordPress is targeted by the hackers. WordPress is very secure by default itself. Most of the security breach happens when a user install the themes or plugins from an unauthorized source. So it is strongly recommended that you always install a plugins a theme from the WordPress directory, because WordPress community review these plugins on equal interval of time. If WordPress community found any security breach or any malicious code in any plugin, it remove from the directory. So it is highly recommended for your WordPress website security, always install the plugin from the unauthorized source, means WordPress directory. So now if you wanted to install the WordFence plugin, then search here WordFence and enter the search. So here you will get the WordFence plugin, and it has more than 3 million active installations. So you can just imagine how much popular this plugin is, because this is the very premium type of a plugins. Hence you will get the basic security feature at free of cost, and if you want to get extended security, then you have to purchase their premium version. I have already installed and activated these plugins. So now move to my dashboard and see what is inside of this plugin. So once you install the plugins, you will get the WordFence option here, as I'm getting here. So let's go to the dashboard. Once you move to the dashboard, you will get some data sheet or status about your website. Okay, and here is the graph which is showing how many attacks has been blocked by the WordFence network. Okay, so this is the basic overview. Now moves to the firewall setting. You may aware about the firewall. I think there is no need to explain more about it. This firewall works as our firewall in our Windows or any operating system we are using. Okay, so here is a firewall. If you are not to manage the firewall, go here, manage WAF. Okay, so manage firewall, you will get firewalls, rules, community. Okay, inside the firewall settings, here is the whitelisted IP address that bypass all rules. For example, if you want to block some IP address, for example, if you have given your website address access to someone else, or it is a multi-author website, let's consider that, so you can whitelist the IP address. Here are the whitelisted services, and major services are whitelisted. Immediately block IP that access to these URLs. If you found any suspicious activity on your website, okay, so you can directly block that user IP address here. Okay, so this is a basic overview about the firewall. Now move to the again to the dashboard. Okay, now go to the scan area. In the scan area, type of the scan is standard, means it is you should keep the standard. And if you want to there are the different type of scan services. Limited scan for entry level hosting plans provided, and standard our recommendation for all budgets, and highly sensitive and custom scan. It depends upon your requirement. If you are selling anything or any product on your website, or your website is a e-commerce, then I recommend to go for sensitive or custom plan. But for a normal blog or website, standard scan is more than sufficient. You can read all this and what the WordFence is scanning. Now we move to the again to the scan page. So it will showing some plugins that which are outdated. Means it's also show you the plugins that which are not updated, or which are not compatible with the current version of the WordPress. But I am very fine with this error is showing, because I know that these are the plugin which I am using are outdated. But these plugins are working very fine with my website, so it's okay. I'm ignoring these errors. Then we move to the tool option. So here are the pages is showing the live traffic options. Here is the login security option. Using this options, you can implement the two-factor authentication on your WordPress website. So so this is all about WordFence security plugins. If you like my video, then you please subscribe my channel for any new updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.